Hi everybody. Like I said, I'm back with the Black Diamond box again. I'm just gonna cut that a little bit here, just to show you the serial number. It's 195054859. Right there. All right. Okay. So the time again, 10:51, April 14, Sunday. Alright, so I'm going to begin right now, and I wish everybody good luck. I hope that we're going to have some nice hits in that box like we have in the artifact box. Alright, empty. Okay, we're going to begin with the bonus pack. Minnesota Wild, New York Islanders, Calgary Flames, Dallas Stars, and we have the number 299 Ice Premier, Mark Stone, Ottawa Senators. Alright, first pack. LA Kings, Winnipeg Jets, Hartford Whalers, so it's going to the Carolina Hurricanes. That's a retro card, so another bonus pack. Decoy, Dallas Stars, and Hurricanes. Winnipeg Jets, Phoenix, Flyers, Decoy, Winnipeg Jets, and Ottawa Senators. Ottawa, Montreal. We have Rookie Gems, Triple Diamond, Boston Bruins, Lane McDermott. Decoy, Montreal, and Pittsburgh. Avalanche, Carolina Hurricanes. We have a Rookie Gems, Triple Diamond, Mark Messier, Edmonton Oilers, Decoy, Anaheim, and Colorado. Vancouver, Dallas. We have a Rookie Gems, Quad Diamond of New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. Nice hit for the Rangers. Decoy, Detroit, and Washington Capitals. Pittsburgh, Rangers. We have a Ruby, numbered to 100, and it's going to the Winnipeg Jets, Andrei Pavelec. Decoy, Islanders, and Columbus. Islanders, Dallas, New York Islanders, Decoy, Vancouver, and the Flyers. San Jose, Vancouver, San Jose, Decoy, Buffalo, and Dallas. Buffalo, Carolina Hurricanes, Nashville Predators. We have a dual jersey, and it's a Team Canada, and it's going to the Florida Islanders, Eric Gudbranson. Nice card. Buffalo and Boston. Pittsburgh, New Jersey, Calgary, Decoy, New York Islanders, and Calgary. New York Islanders, Chicago, Rangers, Decoy, Boston, and LA Kings. Oilers, Flyers, Decoy, Buffalo, Phoenix, and St. Louis. Chicago, Decoy, Pittsburgh, and Anaheim. LA Kings, Buffalo, Chicago, Decoy, Florida, and Oilers. Colorado, Winnipeg Jets, Ottawa Senators, Decoy, Detroit, and New Jersey. Pittsburgh, Rangers, LA Kings, Decoy, Florida Panthers, and Boston. Toronto, Detroit, Flyers, Decoy, Rangers, and Minnesota Wild. Colorado, Buffalo, a quad diamond, all-star, and it's gonna go to the St. Louis Blues, quad diamond, Curtis Joseph. St. Louis Blues. Decoy, Oilers, Minnesota Wild. Vancouver, LA Kings. We have another Ruby, numbered to 100, and it's going to be LA Kings, Mike Richards. Decoy, Washington, and Pittsburgh. Tampa Bay, Detroit, Decoy, St. Louis, and St. Louis. Islanders, Florida Panthers, Washington Capitals. We have a dual jersey for the St. Louis Blues, Yaroslav Halak. Boston and Columbus. Edmonton Oilers, San Jose Sharks, Minnesota North Stars, so it's going to the Dallas Stars. So that's another retro card. So another pack, San Jose, and the Flyers. So I have 4 extra bonus packs to give away to the teams that didn't got any inserts at all. That's good. Calgary, we have a nice hit over here too, and it's a Lustrous Stars. It's not numbered, but it's going to the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Very nice hit for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Decoy, Boston, and Anaheim. Alright, last pack of that Black Diamond box. Nashville, Anaheim, you have a rookie gems, triple diamond, Philip Cornet. Decoy, Buffalo, and the New Jersey Devils. Alright everybody, thank you very much. We've had some nice hits in the 2 box. One in here, Sidney Crosby. So yeah, so keep looking on my eBay. We'll have some more coming up this week and next week. So some more box break, and hope to see you again. Thank you very much, and have a great day.